Ito guys, ang 3 key details na baka hindi mo pa alam tungkol sa Coolsir 500.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. Exotic all over her body. Oh. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it.
Number 1, it has a curb weight of only 193 kilos. Kayang-kaya ko siya i-lift kahit isang kamay. Pangalawa, meron siyang Type A and Type B USB charging system sa kanyang gilid. At ang pangatlo, meron tong traction control na switchable on and off.